Hi everyone, welcome to Statistics Bios on YouTube channel. I am Mohan Athanari. Let's go to today video. Today we will discuss for the one-way ANOVA Tukey method and created for the Tukey box plot. Okay, this is a data format. The first one for the grouping, the next one for the factor and the data. We take the 5 type of factor and this is a data set. This data set imported to the SPSS statistical software. Okay, go to the SPSS statistical software, go to the variable view. Okay, this is data view and the variable view. First create the name column for the factor. Okay, the next one for the data. Okay, next go to for the value menu in the factor column. Okay, click the value button. They open the new tab for the value label. They enter the value for the grouping column. Okay, first one for the grouping the 0. Then next the label name for the T0. Okay, then click the OK add button. The next one value for the 1 numerical number 1. The next the label for the T1. Then add. Then third one for the numerical the 2. The label for the T2. The next 3 and T3. Then for final for the value 4, the label T4. Okay, then click the add button, then click the OK. Okay, next go to the data view. Okay, now the copy paste to the data in the SPSS statistical software. Open the Excel sheet, the grouping data copy and paste to the SPSS statistical software. Okay, this is for the factor. Then next copy to the data, copy the data, paste the data. Okay, this is the data imported method in the SPSS statistical software. The next go to the analyze menu and compare mean and go to the one-way ANOVA. Okay, you before change to the factor and the data in measuring value. This is a numerical for the factor and the data set for the scale. Okay, go to the data view and go to the analyze method, compare mean one-way ANOVA. The open the new tab for the one-way ANOVA. Factor change to the factor column and the data change to the dependent list. Okay, then click for the post hoc the button. The open the new tab for the one-way ANOVA, the post hoc multiple comparison. The click the Tukey checkbox. This is for the significant level, the standard for the 0.05. Then click the continue button, then click the OK button. The open the new tab for the one-way ANOVA in the SPSS statistical software. This is for the important the table for the one-way ANOVA. The significant for the value 0.0, the statistical significant, and F is a table value 39.305. Then mean square value of the total between the group 221 and the within the group 5.632. The TF value for the difference of freedom value between the 4, the within the group 20, the total the 24. Okay, this is sum of square for the data set. The next one for the post hoc in the multiple comparisons. Below the table for the homogenic substance for the data and the Tukeys, the data created for the Tukey graph post Tukey box plot graph. Okay, the data how to create for the box plot. Okay, go to the OriginPro software. This is OriginPro software. Add to the column for the 5 column. Okay, click the add new column button. Click 1, 2, 4 column and 5 column. Okay, change for the label in the YX change X change to the YX. Okay, now the enter the label name for the T0, T1, T2, T3 and T4. Okay, now the copy data to the OriginPro software. The copy the data first for the first factor in the 0 T0 data copy. The paste the data. The next one for the T1 data. The 5 times the data replications. So enter the value in the 5 time. The next one for the T2. Okay, they paste the T2 column. The next one for the T3 data. Okay, T3 data copy and paste to the T3 column. Next one the final for the T4. Okay, T4 the data copy and paste the T4 column. Okay, this is the data ready. Now they select the whole the data and go to the plot menu and statistical and create the box plot. Okay, the box plot is ready. Now this column the deleted. Okay, now the customizer for the table. Follow the step. Okay, the add top and X and X right and the Y layer button. Okay, add the column, the title for the deleted XHS and delete the YXS title and number also. Okay, the double click for the title. The open the new tab in the YXS layer 2. Okay, select the line and the tick line. Okay, the right column is selected. Now the major ticks for the select the style in the none. The next although minor ticks also the none. Okay, then apply. Okay, the next one for the top layer, select the top layer. Okay, the change for the style in the none. The next one the minor ticks is also the change the none. Okay, then click the apply button. Okay, then click OK button. Now the change to the font style, time Roman and the bold. Okay, the next one the range, change the bold and enter the data value, the name, datas, select the data, the change there in a font and bold. The next one for the factor, the add the title the factor, select the title, change the font and click the bold. Okay, now the center of the click for the box plot, double click, the open the new tab. Okay, this is a new tab for the plot detail in the plot properties. Okay, now they change the color for the first one for the border color, the next one for the box color. Box color the recommend change to the 1 by 1 and the subgroup for the within the group. They click this button, they open the new tab for the color list. They change to the candy. Okay, then click apply. They change the color. Okay, the next one for the pattern. This is a border color. Also the automatic the border color is black. If you want select the any colors. Okay, the next one border with the 1.5 change to increase 2 or 4 anyone. Okay, this is a border color change. Standard value for the 1.5. Okay, then 1.5. The next also say fill the color for the before the grouping method. Next on the spacing gap between the for the box plot. Okay, increase the percentage. Okay, 20 is standard. Okay, the next one for the panel and on the box group. The box group value enter the whisker value. The whisker value for the minimum and maximum value in the ANOVA method. This is for the add. The next one for the add to checkbox the mean value. Then click the apply. This mean value added. The next one the box with the 80. This I changed to the 70. Okay. The reduce the box size. Okay. The next one for the lines. This is line for the whisker tab. Okay. This change to auto style in the dot. Okay, line with 1.5. This 1.5. The gap also the change to the style solid. This 1.5. Okay, this is changed. The next one for the one click the whisker. Okay, the next one for the this line. Okay, now the important method for the add to the Tukey value in the Tukey graph. Okay, go to the SPSS statistical software. This is for the homogeneous data add to the Tukey graph. Okay, the highest value the table in the present the 3 column 1 2 3, the highest the data value present in the T3, this is a column, and the next one the lowest in the data column is a T1, this is a B column. The next one for the 3 data the T2 T0 T4 also the C column. The first one for the add the T3 the 36.49, this is for a T3, add the column the data, add the text the A. Okay, the next one for the lowest value presented in the T1. Okay, T1 the use for the tool, the text tool, the click the text tool and click the T1 column upper in the box plot, they enter the label in the B. The next one for the lowest 3 value, the same value for the T2 T0 and T4. Okay, the next one for the T2, they add the next one the lowest value in the C, and the fourth one the lowest value in the T0, see, and also the same for the T4, the lowest value in the T4. This is enter the value T4 in the C. Okay, this is arrange customized for the value. Okay, set time Roman, and also this the move the text, then the change the font. The next one also this to group the change to font. The next one the change font, and next one the final value of the T0. Okay, the data is ready. This is for the Tukey graph in the OriginPro created. The calculation method for the SPSS in the one-way Tukey's method. The graph created for the useful software in the OriginPro. Okay, thank you for watching this video. If you like our channels, please click the subscription button and support to me. Join the YouTube channel membership.